Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the app and OS are updated. This resolves many login handshakes. Next, open Facebook and verify you're signed into the account that owns the game. If not, sign out and re-enter credentials. Once done, force close My Singing Monsters and clear its cache or app data if on Android. For iOS, reboot the device. These steps reset stale tokens and prepare the game to request a fresh Facebook authorization. So when you proceed, you should now open the game and select Facebook login. Pay attention to the permission dialog because missing scopes block access. If the dialog never appears, go to Facebook settings, remove My Singing Monsters from authorized apps, then attempt login again. This forces a fresh permission request. Make sure to allow required scopes like profile and email. Also, link an in-game email or device ID as a backup so you can restore progress without Facebook if needed. Complete the process by confirming the game displays your Facebook name and that monsters, currency, and purchases are synced. This proves the link succeeded. If things still fail, back up any local save, uninstall and reinstall the game, then retry login. Testing on a second device isolates device-specific issues. Make sure your internet is stable and that Facebook servers are operational. If not, wait and retry. If problems persist, contact support with your account ID and exact error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.